the radial pulse.
Radial.
Except for roof. Kasi roof is alternate close opening. Close open, radial hand. This is done for how many minutes? 3 minutes. Elbow flexion is for every 3 to 5 minutes. Okay. So yung roof, ano natin? First, let's for thoracic siya sa right side or contralateral? Siya on the same side. The examiner palpates the radial pulse. Then, the shoulders and the elbows are extended. Patient looks on the opposite, the same side. What you would do is to ask the patient to take a deep breath.
Deep breath.
Then hold for 1 hour. Hold the breath, then you palpate if there is diminished pulse of your diminished rate.
1 hour, wala pang 1 minute.
Positive side would be